Hey, Bob here. It's Monday morning, August 18th, 2025. And if I can move this slide a little bit, you can see how this Brazilian rosewood clamp up that I did, glue up 3 pieces of half of a millimeter each, Brazilian rosewood glued up in a form. So it's 3 plies, and this will be my side sound hole reinforcement. Okay. Just to give you an idea, these are the 3 cauls that I use, and they would go in here, sort of like that, to apply the clamping pressure and right to the outside mold with a 4-inch clamp, 3 clamps, okay? And I did a little, I dug into my notes over here, and this being the heel, this is the side, make-believe. I put my sound hole, my sound port, 2 1/4 inches from the heel on the center line. And I was big into sound ports back in this time frame and a little bit before, because you see it says new size. And I had a whole bunch of different shapes that I was working with. I kind of settled on these 2 right here, if my memory is correct. And I always felt that smaller was better than bigger. I like the oval more than I like the circle. I just like it aesthetically, and being the artist that I am, I prefer the oval to the circle. And I think when I started out, I was making a larger hole, this one. Let me see here. Of course, I can't find my little ruler. Okay, so here's one in millimeters and inches. So this one, if I can get it to focus, this is just about 2 inches long by 1 1/4 inch wide. And I think I settled with this one, which is 1 7/8 by 1 1/8, 1 1/8 by 1 7/8. But I always felt that after doing experiments, I preferred smaller. I didn't like it when I had too much sound coming out. So it probably between this one and this one for me. And the nice thing is you can always go a little bigger. You can start off small, and if you don't like it, you can enlarge it. Okay, so that's it. Just a little video here. I'm going to be gluing this in today, and I'm going to be taking the other one, which was glued up yesterday, Sunday. And correction, I called yesterday the 18th of August. It's actually the 17th yesterday. But anyway, I glued this up yesterday. and that one is for the other guitar. Okay, that's it. Bob checking out, just documenting this for the benefit of anybody who is interested. Have a great Monday. Take care.